This is a vintage Japanese kanna blade made with Togo Regio steel. It also has a nice Jigane wrought iron on it. I'm going to raise the slurry on this diamond plate, using this diamond plate on this Tomoe from Narutaki, number 502. It's a beautiful, really graphic stone. Fairly hard. For tools, this would be considered a hardness of 10, maybe a 10 minus. You can see right away how the black is being formed from the steel and the iron. It's just like ink. So, this is considered a very fast cutting stone. There's no question about it. And the stone leaves the kanna blade with a nice contrasting effect between the hard steel and the soft iron. Now the same stone I used to sharpen this Sheffield steel blade just a few minutes ago. This is how we test in the razor world the sharpness of a razor with a hair. This is called the hanging hair test. In this case, the hair popped away onto the other side of the blade. So this stone is capable of honing up a razor to shave ready.